His 40-year-old daughter was getting married for the third time, so her father decided to build her a one-of-a-kind gift. He started by laying red bricks to form the base of a bed frame. Then he built a small staircase using the same bricks. He continued to stack bricks around the top edge, forming a raised border. In the center, he left an open gap on each side. Next, he connected both openings using cement columns. He filled the gaps with sand to stabilize the structure. Then, he covered the entire frame in a layer of cement mortar. To take things further, he created a custom cement slab. This slab was mounted on one end of the frame. He built a decorative headboard directly on the cement slab. Using cement mortar, he carefully shaped the headboard for a stylish look. Then, he installed a curved water pipe system around the perimeter of the bed. A piece of glass was added to the headboard to form a small container. Next, he painted the entire bed surface in vibrant colors. After the paint dried and set, he installed a small water pump. Fresh water was added to the glass container. He mounted beams across the frame to support the mattress base. A set of wood panels was placed on top of the beams. To finish the setup, he